Hello guys, welcome to Macintosh Weekly, and today in this video, I'll show how to benchmark drives on your Mac. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, and now, let's begin. Benchmarking your disk on a Mac enables you to evaluate its performance, spot potential bottlenecks, and confirm it's functioning correctly. Whether you're addressing slow speeds, comparing hardware options, or optimizing your system, disk benchmarking offers crucial insights into read and write capabilities. This guide provides straightforward steps to effectively test your disk performance, requiring minimal setup. Always remember to back up important data before performing tests that write to your disk as a safety measure. This straightforward guide will help you benchmark both your internal and external drives on a Mac. This method supports Intel as well as Apple Silicon Macs. The first option is to use the Blackmagic Disk Speed Test, available on the Mac App Store. Search for Blackmagic Disk Speed Test in the App Store and then install it. After the app is installed, open it. In the app window, click on Start to start the disk benchmark. By default, it will benchmark the disk on which macOS is installed. It'll continue to benchmark the drive until you stop it by clicking again on Start. Benchmarking tools like Blackmagic Disk Speed Test require a location with sufficient permissions and space to write test files. If the selected disk or directory is read-only, full, or restricted, you'll get an error prompting you to pick another spot. You may get this error too if you've not installed the app from the App Store. To fix the issue, click on the gear icon, then click on Select Target Drive. Now, simply create a folder under the user directory of the OS drive and select it. Usually the OS drive on Mac is named as Macintosh HD. Now, click on Start and you'll be able to benchmark the disk. If you want to benchmark any external disk, ensure the drive is formatted as APFS, HFS+, or exFAT, not NTFS, which is read-only on macOS without extra software. To start benchmarking on an external drive or the other disk installed in the system, select its root directory and you're good to go. So, that was it for benchmarking disks with Blackmagic Disk Speed Test. Moving toward the other option, which is Amorphous Disk Mark, inspired by Crystal Disk Mark. Search and get the app from the App Store. After the app is installed, open it. By default, the selected location will be the OS drive. Click on All, and it will start benchmarking. Benchmarking of an external drive can also be done the same as Blackmagic Disk Speed Test. Choose your external drive or the other disk installed in the system of your choice from the drive drop-down list. Click the All button to start the full test suite. And benchmarking the disk is done. Amorphous Disk Mark is ideal for drive benchmarking because it provides a detailed picture beyond just sequential speeds, unlike Blackmagic Disk Speed Test. So that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.